again and welcome back to another session of Commerce class with me, Suman Rathore. Students, organizing is an important function of management as it brings together the human and physical resources and establishes a relationship among them so as to achieve the goals of the organization. It provides right direction to individual and group activities and coordinate their efforts for the balanced and controlled development of the enterprise. ये ऑर्गेनाइजिंग फंक्शन ही है जो कि एंटरप्राइज को वेरियस चैलेंजेस को इफेक्टिवली हैंडल करने में हेल्प करता है. It is very much essential for the survival and growth of the enterprise. And not only this, organizing is important for various other reasons, like first is benefits of specialization. Now, organization is based on division of work, which leads to specialization. It actually systematically divides the work amongst the workers on the basis of their skills, abilities, competencies, etc. और किसी भी काम को रिपीटेटिवली करते रहने से वर्कर्स को ना सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंस गेन होता है बल्कि उनकी परफॉर्मेंस भी इम्प्रूव होती है और क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क भी बेटर होता है. सो इट हेल्प्स इन रिड्यूसिंग द वर्कलोड एंड एनहांसेस प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑल्सो. Second is clarity of authority and responsibility. Now, organization leads to creation of jobs and their assignment to competent people. It helps in creating well-defined job and also clarifying the limits of authority and responsibility of each job. Now, हर पर्सन को या हर वर्कर को पता होता है कि किसी भी काम से रिलेटेड उसकी कितनी अथॉरिटी है और कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है जिसके लिमिट्स में ही वो अपनी ड्यूटीज़ परफॉर्म करते हैं. एज सच इट हेल्प्स इन रिड्यूसिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स ओवर द यूज़ ऑफ अथॉरिटी बाय डिफरेंट पीपल इन द एंटरप्राइज. नेक्स्ट इज ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. Now, organization enables the enterprise to make optimum utilization of physical and human resources. And organization के process में भी हमने यही देखा था कि it creates the job और उसके बाद वो jobs को और activities को different departments में systematically divide कर देता है. So this would help in avoiding duplication of efforts and overlapping of duties among various individuals and departments. As a result, there would be optimum utilization of all kinds of resources. Next is better coordination and communication. Now, organization integrates and coordinates the efforts of individuals and departments towards the accomplishment of goals of the enterprise. यहाँ पे रिलेशनशिप्स क्लियर कट डिफाइन होती हैं जो कि एंटरप्राइज के बैलेंस्ड फंक्शनिंग में हेल्प करती हैं. और क्योंकि अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी क्लियरली डिफाइन होती हैं सो इट प्रोवाइड्स एन इफेक्टिव चैनल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन so that efforts of various departments can be coordinated and integrated towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. Next is effective management. Now, organizing is a tool of effective management. It helps the manager in developing jobs and then dividing those jobs into different departments, giving authority and responsibility to individuals for better performance of their jobs, and then it also helps in creation of structure for the effective utilization of resources. So, organization basically एक framework तैयार करता है for other managerial functions also like staffing, directing, controlling, etc. Next is growth and expansion. Now, the process of organizing allows a business enterprise to adapt itself according to the changes in business environment. It helps in growth and expansion by encouraging innovative thinking by the people and makes them to work for the smooth growth of the business. This not only creates more job positions but also creates more departments and even diversify the product line of the enterprise, which helps in entering the new market. Next is development of human resource. Now, human resource is the most important resource of the business, without which all the other resources are useless. And organizing helps in the development of human resource by appointing right person at the right job, which not only makes the person specialized but also helps in exploring new areas for growth and expansion. और इसमें प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग के थ्रू वर्कर्स कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क के लिए भी अपनी स्किल्स डेवलप करते हैं. That's all for today. Thanks for staying in tune and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye for now.